today's video, I will be doing a swipe. I've got some gorgeous reds and pinks, so stick around and check it out. Hey everybody, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas and I have my swipe tools that I will be using. All these colors here are leftovers and I just figured I would try to use them up and get rid of them. And they're all super pretty colors. So this first one is from Modern Masters and it is Ruby. It is a super pretty red. I have used it many times. This one here is from Artist Loft and it is just metallic red. All of these paints that I am using today are mixed with Floetrol and water only, and I don't have anything added to them, no silicone or anything like that. This one here is another super pretty color. It's a pink, metallic pink. It's called Fuchsia, and it is from Anita's. I don't know if you guys have ever used any of the craft paints from Anita's, but I do like the Fuchsia. Their line of metallics is super, super pretty, and I have used them many times. This next color is the only one that is not a metallic, and it is from Liquitex Basics. It's Quinacridone Magenta. I just wanted to throw a non-metallic one in there just for the heck of it. So now I'm just going to try to cover the canvas as much as possible, and then I will be adding these lovely golds. They are from Pebeo Iridescent Gold and Iridescent Precious Gold. They're both super pretty. This one here is the gold. You can tell it's a little bit brighter. The Precious Gold reminds me of a mix between the copper and the gold, and I really love it. This black that I'm putting down is from Amsterdam, and it is my cell activator that I use. It is 1 teaspoon of Amsterdam lamp black with 3 tablespoons of Floetrol and a little bit of water. Now you can see on those 2 previous swipes that I didn't hold as much pressure, complete pressure down there, and you can see that I didn't get the whole swipe covered. So when I turn it here, you'll be able to see the correct way. So there it is. I have the proper pressure applied and it is a perfect swipe. It definitely makes a difference how you hold these things, because you can see that if you lift a little bit, it will lift, and then you'll have an area. Now it's easy. You can go over again, as you can see right here. If you have any areas you miss, there's different sizes, and I do love the little one. I use the little one quite often just to fix little areas. All right, so now I'm just gonna move it. I want to give this piece a little bit of movement, so I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the music, enjoy how this develops, and I'll be back in a jiff. Okay guys, here we go with the dried photos, and I really love this painting. I liked it at first, but then when I tilted it, I actually loved it. I think the tilting gave it some nice movement, and not every swipe has to be symmetrical. The middle I really love. I love all the colors, and I do love the composition as well. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so don't forget to leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. It's free. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click the bell for notifications. And if you know someone that may enjoy this video, go ahead and share that with them as well. And if you are interested in any of the swipe tools, they are available in my Etsy shop. The link will be in the description, so go ahead and give that a look. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy as well, and I will catch you in the next one.